predictions of a snowstorm beginning Thursday night resulted in lots of wind and little accumulation, it seemed like most locals were unfazed by the warning.
We live in New York State, honey. We're supposed to be used to snowstorms.
19-year-old Craig Johnson explained what kind of problems the weather could create for his fellow firemen.
You're driving a 100,000-pound fire truck through the snow. Nice and bad conditions, low visibility, and everything else. So, you gotta be really careful.
Only a few inches managed to stick overnight.
It was not bad at all. I thought that we would get more snow, but we didn't, so I'm happy with what we got. That's good enough.
This local plow driver doesn't seem to think there will be much more this winter.
I doubt it. I hope so.